In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay background music on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to enhance your visitor's experience or set the mood on your web page, adding music can be a powerful tool. Let's dive in and take each step one step at a time to ensure you get it just right. To start, make sure you're in the Wix website editor. This is your main hub for making all the customizations and changes to your site. So if you're not there yet, go ahead and open it up. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find an option called Add Elements. It's represented by a little plus icon, a go-to whenever we want to add new content to our site. Click on Add Elements, and a list of options will appear. From this menu, you want to select Video and Music. As you might have guessed, this section contains components for adding both videos and audio players, including music, to your site. Once you've clicked, another drop-down will appear, and this is where you'll spot Audio Players. Audio Players is your doorway to adding your very own soundtrack to your website. So go ahead and click on it. You'll now see a selection of audio player designs. These are visually appealing elements that can complement your website's theme. So take a moment to choose a style that fits well with your site's aesthetic. After selecting your preferred player, click to add it to your page. Now, with your audio player in place, it's time to find the playback options. You're going to want your music to not just play, but play smoothly, so check out the settings pane that pops up once your player is set. There's an option you should tick called Play and Loop. This will ensure your music continues seamlessly, creating a uniform experience for anyone browsing your site. Next, it's time for the track itself. Look for the Upload Track button. Once you've found it, click it. This action will prompt you to add your chosen music file. Then, on the resulting pop-up, click Upload Media to bring in your tune. Browse your computer for the perfect soundtrack that represents your site, select it, and upload. Now that you've uploaded your track, you want to finalize it by clicking on Add Track. This confirms your choice, making sure it's locked and loaded into the audio player on your page. And just like that, your background music is all set up to start automatically when visitors land on your website. Congratulations! You've successfully added autoplay background music to your Wix website. Remember to preview your site to make sure everything is functioning perfectly, and feel free to make any tweaks to the design or track if needed. Your website is now ready to engage visitors with an enhanced audio experience that sets just the right tone.